Okay, we successfully have our form, guys. See, we have our form, everything, and that is beautifully designed. So it's time to create. Let's go our network types, and we will just check this one in and create that if that is successfully. Let's check if that is gonna give me mobile view. Okay, so we have it like this. That's beautiful, guys. I think our mobile view is working, and that is beautifully designed. Okay, see, if you are in the mobile view, it's gonna be just like this. Okay, so I think they will have like this same as this one. Okay, so that is beautiful, guys. We have our design, we have everything we need. So let's go back our and make this one is gonna be responsive. Let's see this one in network tab, guys. So we will have and check this one in as a network. So I open a network tab and I will just clear this. So let's have what we need is that we just have to submit, right? So let's use this one as sync func. Okay, it's just going to be a sync function because we're dealing with a backend, right? So we will just make this one try and catch. So let's create a new data here. Okay, I will just make this one new product. Maybe I will just say that it's going to be an object, and we will have a name as well as we will have a stock. Let's have manufacturer, and let's have model number. It's going to be model number. Let's have one category. I will just need, okay, I will have a category also. Let's have, I think that's going to be just all. Okay, so I think that's just stock, manufacturer, model number. Okay, location, we forget the location. It's going to be location. Okay, let's have this one and dispatch our action. Okay, let's dispatch, and that is going to be a wait, or maybe you can live with the await. I think you can dispatch it, and that's going to be create product, and that is coming from product slice, and we will just add that new product. Okay, so that's going to be unwrap. I will just make this one wrap everything. So let's check if that import our action. Okay, so I think I have in my action here. So what I need is that let's add some toast into the create product. Okay, so what we need is that we just have to toast and get a successful notification. Product slice I have here. Okay, I think create products here. Then I think I will just add a slice here, and it's gonna be toast success, and I will just get the product created successfully. Okay, product created successfully. So let's make this one toast. So because we're getting from React Toastify, and I will just import that from React Toastify, right? So it's gonna give me React Toastify. So we already have it, I think. So we already have it here. Okay, so we already have it, and that is gonna give me my notification that is already created. That product is created. Otherwise, let's get the error. Okay, let's see if we have an error. So we'll just pass that in the catch block. So we have a try and catch here, right? We will just pass it here. Okay, let's get the error. Okay, so maybe we'll just get the, it's gonna be toast, it's gonna be toast dot error. So what I will need now, I will just pass it here. Let's make this one, it's gonna be error, and I will just get the error message. So let's import this one. I will just control space, I will auto import. So let's make this one error, and I will just get the data, and I will get the message. Okay, so I will just get the message. Okay, otherwise I will make this one else. I will just get an by default error. Okay, so I will just get this one. It's gonna be failed to create product. Maybe we'll just have that error. Okay, so I think that's gonna be successful, and I will just make the call this function. It's gonna be on close. So I will have this one, and that's gonna close my model. So what I need is that we just have to test this thing. Okay, so I will just clear this one, and let's dispatch this one, and we will just get the products. Okay, so because we have to get the product, because we will just have a new product, right? So we'll just get the product after before creating. Okay, so get product is, so I think I will have this, and I will just dispatch that action, and that I will invoke that to get the products. Okay, that's API, right? So that is handling to get all the products in our dashboard. Okay, so it's time to test this thing out. Okay, so I will just create a new product and I will just maybe requested by. Why we have requested by? So let's change this placeholder. It's gonna be product name. It's gonna be product name here, and that is gonna be product name. So I think that should be work. Okay, so I think yes, I have product name. So wait a second, guys, that will change in a second. So yes, I have my product name. So let me clear my screen, my network tab. So let's make this one 4S transition, and I will make this one stock is gonna be 400. Category is gonna be machines or maybe spare parts. I will leave with the spare part manufacturer. I will make this one local. I will make this one local, and model number, let's have this it's gonna be FD, and I'll just give a random numbers, just an example. Location, I will make this one AA1. So I think I have it everything, so I will just save it, right? So let's check the network type if we have an error, or maybe that is not successful created. Okay, so I save it. Yes, I have an error, so name is required, right? Name is required. Why we have name required? Because we didn't put the value, guys. We just didn't this put value. We didn't have that name. That's supposed to give me name here. Okay, we have supposed to have a name the value, because what we type in, how you will know what you type. That's you have to have your state is gonna be set name. So that is gonna add my name, and I will just change whatever I type that input is gonna set to name, and now that will pass the data, and that's gonna create to my database. Okay, let me refresh my screen one more. Okay, that's supposed to refresh. Okay, wait a second, guys, let's see. Okay, I think I have. Again, I refresh. So let's come to our create product, and let's add that product. Okay, so let's wait a second, guys, still refreshing. Kind of have a network, my network is kind of slow, right? So I will clear my network tab, and I will just create a new product. So let's make this one 4 transition and count stock. I will make this one 400. Let's make this one spare parts and manufacturer, and we'll make this one local. It's gonna be local. In manufacturer, same as we pass in categories, you can have local, maybe a company name, whatever is. Model number is gonna be let's make this one FD. I will give a random number. Location, okay, it's gonna be location A1. It's gonna be A11, and I will save this. Let's see if that's created. Okay, yes, that is created, but I'm just getting that product map is not a function. Okay, so it's our already product has been created. We have successfully product. Okay, so but that's gonna give me my dashboard error, so we will have a product map error. So when we come to our dashboard, supposed to get our product, right? So that's gonna give me error. Okay, so what we need is that we just have to pass this one. It's gonna be create product, right? So we just have to, okay, let's create this one. Okay, create product, I will just remove this one. Let's remove this one, or maybe just comment this one again. We'll just have to save this. Let's check if that our added our dashboard, and let's see if that added our product. Okay, so I think my app is refreshing. Let's check. Okay, 4H that is created. Okay, so 4S transmission, this is here, and that's gonna be 400. Okay, model number, I think I don't have model number. Why is so not available? That's supposed to pass whatever we pass it there. Okay, because I think let's go back how we type it, the model number. Okay, the model number in my product, I will see if that, yeah, that's A, because we make this one E, right? It's supposed to A, right? So what we have it here is gonna be model number. Okay, so that's supposed to be A. Okay, so let's create that model number, and also here it's gonna be model number, and that is gonna be value here, and we will have a model number, right? So it's gonna be value, it's gonna be model number, and that is gonna be successfully what we pass in our backend. Don't make mistake, what you pass in your backend supposed to have the same form what you passing in your client side. Okay, do not make some typo in your field. Okay, whatever you pass this form field is supposed to same and match your backend. Okay, so also let's add one more. Okay, product. Okay, so let's add again. We will have, let's dismiss Miller. Okay, I will just get this one and I will make this one, it's gonna be 1200, and I will just make this one, it's gonna be, okay, packaging, I will leave this, and manufacturer I will say a company, let's make this one company. But as an example, guys, model number is gonna be MA, and let's just give a random numbers. Location is gonna be AB22. Okay, so we'll save this one. Okay, let's save again. I think I have a product, the map, I will fix that. Okay, so because when we pass this and create this product, it's supposed to give me and dispatch my product. Okay, so we will just have that and get this error removed. Okay, in a second. But that's supposed to add my, okay, my similar roller I have, and I have my model number. See, the before is gonna be not available, and I have a companies. This one is local. Maybe we will edit these, some of them, because we will have to add the edit product. Okay, so we'll have edit product also. We just have to update our product. Okay, so we'll update that product as well. So we will just update these two local, but we just have to add some random local manufacturers, company name, whatever is that.